Welcome to Python Lab 3. We are team ID8. This is my first program, linear regression, and first of all we all imported all the libraries which are needed, and we used the Boston housing as our data set, and medv is our target variable, and after that we are performing the statistics on the data, and we are defining the two basic models, basic model 1 and basic model 2, which are with the same parameters but with a different structure. Like here we are using the optimizer as RMS prop, and here we are using Adam, and after that we are fitting all the data into this model, and like we have given epochs as 20 and batch size as 128. And here callbacks is a set of function applied at different stages of training procedure, and by using callbacks we can visualize our data in our tensor board. And here we are plotting the mean absolute error versus the validation MAE, and also the training versus validation loss. I will just run this one, and as I checked earlier, if we have the batch size more, we get the less optimized function. And here this is our training versus validation MAE, and this is training versus validation loss. And uh, in PyCharm we have the log file like here, and then and this is the link for the tensor board, and this is the visualization in our tensor board, and this is our graphs in tensor board. And again, coming to the code, like we have the different parameters like batch size and optimizers and learning rates. If we change the batch size, like for less batch size we are getting the good results, and if the learning rate is like more, we are getting the less values. And for the training, for the Adam optimizer we are getting the good results. And now coming to the logistic regression, here we did the same, and we used the data set as a credit card CSV, and we imported all the libraries which are needed. And here also we are performing the statistics on the data. And for linear regression we are using the activation as sigmoid, and the loss as binary cross entropy, and we use this for the linear regression. And we are defining the two basic models again here also, and after that we are fitting the data set into the model and calling the callbacks and plotting the errors. And here we are evaluating the model, and we are printing the test accuracy. Now I will run this one. It is like little bit slow, and here also, like for less batch size we are getting the good results, and if we use the losses as log cache, we are getting good results than the binary cross entropy. And and it is also giving the good results for more epochs, until some extent. And I think it is going to take more time as it is a big data set. And see here we are getting the results for each epochs: loss value, mean absolute error, value loss, and mean absolute error. And this is our these are the dense layers, and this is our data set. And there are total parameters of 8191. And last one more, I have given 10 epochs here. And these are the graphs here: training versus validation MAE, and training versus validation loss errors. And I'll also show this one in the tensor board. Like, here is my log file, and this is our link. And this is the visualization in tensor board. Like, we can change the data here, the size of it, and finally again coming back to the code, and our test accuracy is 0.666220. And that's all. Thank you.